Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a demonstration on how to calculate molar mass. Now stoichiometry can be very confusing, so that's why I'm going to go through and make these videos for each new subject we talk about. First up, the basis of the whole thing, molar mass. Let's look at the compound sulfuric acid. It's simply H2SO4. Now, the first thing we have to do when we find molar mass is to look at how many atoms of each element we have. In this case, we have 2 hydrogen, 1 sulfur, and 4 oxygen. So let's start with hydrogen. Hydrogen's atomic mass, if you look on the periodic table, is 1.008. So we have 1.008, and this is for hydrogen, and 2 atoms of it. So multiply that by 2, and you'll see we come up with 2.016 after you plug that into the calculator. Next up, we have sulfur. Now let's write sulfur, and sulfur's mass is 32.066 grams. There's only 1 sulfur, so we don't have to multiply anything. 32.066. Last but not least, oxygen. Oxygen is 15.99 grams per mole. 15.999, and we have 4 atoms of oxygen. So we're going to multiply that by 4. And once we do that, you plug that into your calculator. 15.999 times 4 gives us a total mass of 63.996. Now that you have the individual masses for each one of the elements, you simply add those 3 up. So we're going to add hydrogen's, sulfur, and oxygen's mass all together to get the mass of what we're looking for, H2SO4, or sulfuric acid. Now, I'll start with oxygen because I already have it plugged into the calculator. 63,996 plus 32.066 plus 2.016. And that gives us a grand total of 98.078. And remember, for molar mass, our units are always grams per mole. Grams per mole. So our final product is 98.078 grams per mole, or when we're using this as a conversion factor for later problems, we can actually write it like this as well. 98.078 grams over 1 mole. Check out the next video and we'll talk about how to go from moles to grams.